reaching out to end users is easy, as in we all know that people do. Now let's see how do you reach out to doctors and senior surgeons and all that. So I just want to show you that it is possible. Okay, if you go to the ad manager, okay, in the now you get all these options, okay, with respect to Facebook ads. So one of the options that really is interesting is called lead generation, okay, because it actually helps you to generate a database. Like if you want to generate a database in Bangalore of doctors who could be, or senior surgeons who could be interested in your profile, you can actually develop a database, and then you can reach out to them on WhatsApp or whatever. So that is called lead generation. वैसे there are many other objectives. I mean, this is a completely like it's a subject topic by itself, because if you have an app, you can promote apps. If you have video, you can promote a video. But let's take lead. Suppose you want to generate a database. That's why I've selected this. Now, the heart of the advertising is something what is called as audience. Okay, so in audience, what happens is you have to tell Facebook that what are the whom do you want to reach out to. So now let's take uh, okay, so you see all these options are coming. Okay, so there is something called neurosurgeons. If I choose this, okay, it is showing me the how many people are would qualify all over India. Okay, so you can make this Bangalore, anything. You can make this local. I'm just taking all India. Now this is a job title, so you know that neurosurgeon. Now why is it fewer than 1,000 people? Because I just told you that on Facebook, people don't put out their titles so easily or so much, right? Even when you look at your own profile, you not many people actually put out where you're working, marketing manager, etc. on Facebook, but you do that on LinkedIn. Okay, so ये सेम थिंग न्यूरोसर्जन अगर आप लिंक्डइन पे डालोगे, लिंक्डइन के पास भी एक सिमिलर टूल है, एब्सोल्युटली सेम. यू जस्ट गो टू लिंक्डइन एड्स and very similar thing is there. You put neurosurgeon, you'll get more number of definitely more number of results. Okay, here it is saying fewer than 1,000, but now you can look at other things. Okay, the the interesting thing which people don't use so much uh, about Facebook is that you not only can target job titles, but you can also target. You saw that there was some journal. Sorry, it is just not. I should, yeah, so you can also target journal people who are following journals, people who are following hospitals. You can also target this as an interest. Okay, so all these, if you add all of these, see, I just put interest, and it really spiked up. It's now 2.3 million. Okay, if you put journal, journal भी डाल सकते हो आप. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप अलग सी देखो कैसा है. When it comes to targeting on Facebook, you can not only target job titles, you can target interests, you can target colleges. If you know that there are some 15 colleges of neuro which are famous for neurosurgery as a study, then you can target those, and you can say, okay, pass from this college and say 20 years of experience if you want to get the senior guys. Okay, तो ये कर सकते हो. Magazines have told you, associations, you just search for association neurosurgery, you will, and neurosurgery is one thing. I mean, there is this that's a very general thing. You can look for the same thing, and for epilepsy, all that you will get. Okay, you will let's see what is there for epilepsy. Yeah, so you can see there is some Foundation of Americas, there is some Action Australia. that, see, it does not matter if these associations magazines are international, because even if you are in Mumbai, you can follow the posts from these. Okay, and the fact is, when it comes to medical research, the fact is that, the internationally, the international foundations, companies, associations are ahead of us, right? And hence doctors follow them rather than, to be honest, Indian associations, and we all know that, right? So this is a very good way of targeting these people who are following these associations. Okay, so if you know that, okay, people are following these associations as a company, like if in the case of Rushank, right? If as a company they want to promote this page that they have done, so they can do an ad around this and target people who are following all these research driven journals. ठीक है, तो वैसा पॉसिबल है। एंड ये यहाँ पे आपको राइट पे दिखेगा कि ओके, हाउ मेनी पीपल, आई थिंक दिस रियली स्पाइक्ड अप बिकॉज आई पुट दिस इंटरेस्ट। इफ यू रिमूव द इंटरेस्ट, okay, see, it is 15,000, which is fine. See, even if you are able to reach 15,000 people, it is showing, see, there is something called daily results. So every day, how many leads can you get? It is showing less than 10. Okay. और ये तो मैंने, I have just started. Okay. You have to brainstorm and see what are the kind of pages, okay, that your audience follows. Okay, what are the kind of pages, personalities? Like I think Abhay was talking about Shashank Joshi, right? If he's a famous cardiologist, so Shashank Joshi will also have a page here. Okay, so you can reach out to doctors who follow Shashank Joshi, doctors and people in the medical community who follow. Okay, yeah, that you should target on social media that way. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I will, I request everyone to mute. So I'll just show you one more tool by which you can research on the, see, अभी मैंने आपको क्या कहा था कि you have to put all possible ideas that you can get, okay, for journals, for association. Now if you want to know which are the main associations, which are the main journals which have a existence and which are popular with your audience, so there is another tool which is called Facebook Audience Insights. Okay, and this is like a research tool which Facebook has given. Okay, let's show you very quickly how it okay, just search for Facebook Audience Insights and you will reach this tool. There's a different tool called Facebook Audience Insights. और ये टूल में क्या होता है, you will get ideas of pages that your people follow. Okay, now if you put epilepsy, okay, Epilepsy Foundation of America, okay, it is showing you that there are 2,500 people in India who are following this page, and these people are also following these pages. Epilepsy Foundation India, America, support. Okay, so you see why. So this, now Dr. Rajesh Deshpande, okay, Kokila Ben, okay. So these are the ideas for you when you are using Facebook ads. You can use these ideas in your targeting features like epilepsy action support. In there कुछ होगा यहाँ पे initiatives होगा. So those things you can put here. Okay, epilepsy action, you can put this here.